Hi, my name is Reynold and thank you for watching. No? Kung nasa affiliate marketing ka, online marketing, digital marketing, at gusto mo mag-download ng ebook na to, this ebook is about affiliate marketing. No? Click mo lang yung link dyan sa description para ma-download mo tong ebook na to. So ano ba tong ebook na to? It's about affiliate marketing. Are you struggling to start in digital marketing as an affiliate? In this ebook, you will discover the 6 pillars that will make you successful and truly earn money as an affiliate without leaving your home. Yan, sa mga gustong mag-online business na gustong home-based yung negosyo nyo. Ito, makakatulong sa inyo itong ebook na to. Download the 6 pillars to success as an affiliate ebook and learn how to make your first sale quickly and increase your result exponentially. Yan. So, lalagay ko na lang yung link ko dyan sa description ng video na to para makuha nyo tong webpage na to. Tapos all you have to do is click download ebook now. Lagay nyo yung name nyo dyan, email, then start download. Mapupunta na kayo sa download page. Ayan. So ito yung itsura ng ebook na pakita ko lang. So ayan. So pagka nag-fill up na kayo doon sa kanina, yung sa lagay nyo yung name and email nyo, marireceive nyo tong ebook na to. Ayan. First page, second page, third page, fourth page. Ayan. Ayan. So kung gusto nyong ma-download tong ebook na to, nasa affiliate marketing kayo o gusto nyong matutunan kung paano maging affiliate marketer, online marketer, digital marketing, yan. I inviting you to download this ebook for free. Yan. So click nyo lang yung link sa description ng video na to para ma-download nyo na yung ebook na to. Thank you. Bye-bye. Thank you for watching. And see you on the next video. Bye.